Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. In this video I'm going to discuss with you some basics, formulas and problems from integration. First of all, what is integration? Integration is the opposite of differentiation and the result is known as an integral. Here if we see we are given dy by dx is equal to x, then y will be x square by 2, and if dy by dx is x square, then y will be x cube by 3, and thus if dy by dx will be x to the power n, then y will be x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here the derivatives of x square plus 3 and x square minus 3 are 2x, and so the integration of 2x is a family of curves given by x square plus c. If value of c is given, then we get a particular curve. For example, if 1 and minus 2 lies on the curve c is equal to minus 3, then we get a curve whose equation is y is equal to x square minus 3. Right? Now if we notice here in this figure given above illustrates some of the members of the family of curves given by x square plus c. Here when the value of c changes, then the curve also changes its position, and thus it depends on the value, the curve, actually the position of curve depends on the value of this c, right? And now another formula, if y is equal to dy by dx is equal to x to the power n, then y will be the value of y will be x to the power n plus 1, then divided by n plus 1 plus c, where n not equal to 1 minus 1, where and a and c are constants. The process of obtaining y from dy by dx is known as integration, and the expression for y involving a constant is called an infinite integral, right? The symbol of integration is like s, looking somewhat like an elongated s. It is used together with dx. For example, to integrate 3x plus 2 with respect to x, we write integration of 3x plus 2 dx. This is read as the integral of 3x plus 2 with respect to x. And if dy by dx is equal to f of x, then dy is equal to integration of f of x dx plus c, where c is a constant, right? Area under a curve. Actually, calculus was historically developed to find a general method for the determination of areas of geometrical figures. When these figures are bounded wholly or partly by curves, their areas cannot be determined by elementary geometry. Look at this curve. Here the curve is y is equal to x square, and if we have to find the area of PQRS, we don't here we can't apply the formula of area, right? Length into breadth, or area of the square formula, anything. We can't use this formula of elementary geometry. That's why we have to use the integration here. Through integration, what we do, we divide this length SR into small parts dx, right? And this will be width, and for this small rectangle, for this tiny rectangle, dx will be width and the length will be ps, which is we consider the f of x. Then the area will be f of x dx, and if we integrate this area from lower limit a to b, then we find this whole area, right? Whole area. Now you will see some problems. First of all, we have to, here we are given that the equation of a curve which has a gradient of 2x plus 8 and passes through the point 2 3, we have to find the integration. We have to do the integration and find the equation of the curve. We are given this, and from this equation we get dy, value of dy, which is 2x plus 8, and if we integrate both sides, then we get y is equal to x square plus 8x plus c. And if at the point 2 3 the value of c will be minus 17, so the equation becomes x square plus 8x minus 17. Now the curve for which dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus ax plus b, where a and b are constants and has stationary points 1 0 and minus 3 32. We have to find the value of a and b and the equation of the curve. Given dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus ax plus b, and then dy is equal to 3x square plus x plus b times dx. If we integrate both sides, then the value of y will be x cube plus x square by 2 plus bx plus c. At a stationary point, gradient is 0, so dy by dx is equal to 0, so the value 3x square plus ax plus b will be 0. At 1 0, if we put the value of x 1, then we get 3 plus a plus b is equal to 0. At minus 3 and 32, we get another equation 27 minus 3a plus b is equal to 0. If we solve these two equations, we get the value of a and b. Solving 1 and 2, we get value of a and b, which is 6 and minus 9. From 1, putting the value of a and b in this equation, we get the value of c is equal to we get a curve, equation of the curve, and at point 1 0 the value of c is 5, so our the equation of the curve is y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 9x plus 5. Now third problem, here is a formula. We have to use this formula in this problem, which is integration of ax plus b to the power n dx. The formula is x plus b, the power will be n plus 1, and we have to divide both this by n plus 1, and another a will be here, n plus c. Let's see here constant, a b c both all are constant. The rate of change of a quantity v is given by dv by dt is equal to root over 3t plus 6. If v is 7 and t is 1, we have to find the v in terms of t. Given equation is dv by dt is equal to root over 3t plus 6. We can write this 3t plus 6 into power is half, and integrating both sides, we get v is equal to 3t plus 6 power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 times 3, and here a constant term c, and in the denominator we get 9 by 2, and if we bring it to the in the numerator side, then it will be reversed, which is 2 by 9, and the numerator will be same, 3t plus 6 to the power 3 by 2. And for b is equal to 7 and t is equal to 1, the value of c will be 1, and if we put the value of c in this equation, we get our p in terms of t, which is v is equal to 2 by 9 times 3t plus c to the power 3t plus 6 to the power 3 by 2 plus 1. So this is a problem 3, right? So hope these problems and basics and formula I discussed with you will help you to understand the topics, and please subscribe my channel. I hope I will come to you with more videos from the topics. If you suggest me any topics, it will motivate me and inspire me to create more videos, more contents for you. Thank you everyone. Thank you.